MiST, In-Car Air Quality Service. If you could see what you're breathing, you'd MiST right away.
We were shocked to find out that mold, bacteria, and germs love to take you for a ride in your automobile. So we had two cars tested to see what really lives there.
This is actually what we found in the vent of your car.
My clean car?
Your clean car. I was actually quite surprised to find a significant amount of penicillium coming out of your air conditioning vent.
It's a serious problem hiding in automobile ventilation systems. Now, over the last 10 years, this phenomenon is much more prevalent because automobile manufacturers have made components much more efficient. They can trap moisture in the evaporator fins and ventilation components, and this creates a dark, damp environment conducive to microorganism growth. Now, that's a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and bacteria. Every time you get into your vehicle and turn on the fan, these allergens and microorganisms are blown into the passenger compartment. If you could see what you're breathing, you'd MiST right away. This is Aspergillus niger, and this is where it came from. Penicillium prefers to grow underfoot. Now, molds like these can cause allergic reactions. Connie Moorbach, an environmental scientist who tests air quality in automobiles, took samples from this relatively clean-looking SUV and then tested for bacteria and mold. The results were stomach-turning.
A car can be a more hostile environment than our workplace or our homes because the volume of air is so much smaller.
Children are particularly good at feeding mold spores that thrive on sugary liquids and food products. To lessen the chances of harmful mold and bacteria in your vehicle, it's recommended to keep the interior surfaces of your vehicle clean, regularly replace cabin air filters, and have the HVAC systems treated for microorganisms using MiST. One MiST service treats mold, mildew, and bacteria. MiST microdroplets are drawn into an automobile's vents, penetrating and treating the entire ventilation system, including the evaporator, heater core, air ducts, and passenger compartment surfaces. Here's a culture sample from a 2-year-old luxury vehicle with 18,000 miles and equipped with a cabin air filter. Here's a culture sample from the same vehicle after the MiST treatment. The results speak for themselves. Drivers and their passengers are spending much more time in their cars than in previous years. The average driver spends about 1.5 hours a day in their vehicle. The award-winning MiST is the solution for improving in-car air quality for professionals on the road, for the health-conscious, asthma and allergy sufferers, and families running errands, drop-offs, and car trips. And those consumers include the aging population. The MiST treatment takes only 14 minutes. Breathe easier and ask for a MiST treatment today. The MiST treatment is recommended twice yearly and can be performed at any time. Contact UView for more information at www.uview.com.